here with Yucong, and he shared with me that he's been using Ubuntu since the beginning. So, Yucong, can you tell me a little bit about your journey with Ubuntu?
Yes, of course. I started with, I think in 2003, 2004. I was still a college student. I was in China, in Beijing, in one of the colleges. And my professor asked me to install some Linux machine in our data center. So the first thing comes to mind is like, I should do Ubuntu. And at the time, you can still do the physical CD. So I ordered some CD on the website, and it actually sent me an international mail. Arrived at my door. So every single Linux machine I touched is always Ubuntu.